In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom HTML code to ClickFunnels. Whether you're looking to enhance the design of your page or integrate specific features, adding custom HTML, CSS, or JavaScript can really elevate your funnel's functionality and appearance. Let's dive in and explore how this is done in just a few easy steps. First, you'll want to log into your ClickFunnels account and navigate to the funnel page where you want to add your custom code. Once you're logged in, you'll see the list of your funnels. Choose the specific funnel you wish to edit and open it up. This takes you to your funnel's dashboard where you'll access the individual page you're working on. Once you're on your desired funnel page, locate and click the Edit Page button. This will open up the ClickFunnels editor, which is your working canvas. Here, you're able to visualize and tweak your page to your liking. It's a great space to experiment and see changes live. Now, in the editor mode, it's time to add the HTML or custom code element. You'll find this in the Elements section. Simply drag this HTML element into the spot on your page where you want your code to appear. This can be tucked anywhere within your layout, so choose a position that aligns with your design plans. Drag and drop functionality makes this seamless, so feel free to play around with potential placements. After you've positioned your HTML element, click on it to open the code editor box. This is where the magic happens. Paste your custom HTML, CSS, or JavaScript into the code box that appears. Whether it's a special widget, a custom style, or a piece of tracking code, just ensure that your code is correctly formatted and free of errors before proceeding. This step is crucial for the successful execution of your customizations. Once you've placed your code into the box, it's time to save your progress. Find the Save button, usually located at the top right corner of the editor, and give it a good click. Saving your work ensures that all the adjustments you've made are securely recorded. I recommend frequently saving when doing any kind of digital design to avoid losing your work. After saving, head over to preview your page. This step is essential for verifying that your code performs as expected and integrates smoothly with your existing page content. This preview provides a live glimpse into how your audience will experience your funnel. Check thoroughly that everything looks as intended and that the functionality is spot on. Finally, once you're happy with how everything fits together, go ahead and publish your page. The Publish button can also be found on the editor's top menu. Hitting this finalizes your changes and brings them to life on the web. And there you have it. Your custom HTML code is now successfully integrated into your ClickFunnels page. By following these steps, you've successfully personalized your funnel to better suit your needs. Be sure to test thoroughly to ensure that all features operate smoothly, especially if you've included complex scripts or elements. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this empowers you to continue customizing and enhancing your marketing funnels.